My old lovers fall into my covers, where they sink one by one. Yeah, I watch them disappear to nothing, disposable as chewing gum.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I just got my Samsung Galaxy Buds in the mail and I will be doing an unboxing for you guys.
There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know.
Okay, I got my pencil here. It's a very sharp tip. Okay.
Do we kiss and lie in bed to fill awkward silences? Do we feel emptiness afterwards?
Alright, so this is what it looks like in the box. I chose the cloud blue color. I think for the Galaxy Buds Plus there are 4 colors and I chose the cloud blue one. Okay, anyways, so in this white box right here, everything just kind of fell out. I got a few earpieces right here. There are a few different sizes, and then there are also these like little ring things. I'm not really sure what they are, but I will find out later. So that is good that they are providing me with additional sizes because the fit of the headphones are actually very important for the comfort. And then I've got this charger. This is USB, what is this? So I've got the charging cable right here. It's USB-C to USB type A. And then finally, I've got this cute little blue case. Oh my gosh, this thing is actually so cute. And here they are. Wow, they are so pretty. Like, I love this cloud blue color so much.
'Cause I want something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper. Not saying I'm some genius.
Okay, I'm going to put this one in my left ear and then this one in my right ear. Whoops. Try not to drop anything. I don't know how to put these in. Alright, I think I got them in. Probably not the best way possible because my right ear doesn't feel very snug. So I'll have to see like how I'm supposed to put it in. Okay, so I did a little bit of adjusting and now they are in my ears pretty comfortably, and right off the bat, like, I can hear myself talk, but it sounds really muffled. I don't think these earbuds are noise canceling, but they definitely do block out a good amount of noise. Like, I can barely hear myself talk. But the real test is to see how they sound with music, obviously. So I'm going to go take my dog out on a walk right now and listen to some music, and then I'll come back and let you guys know what I think.
Yeah, I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something deeper. If I find him, I'ma keep him. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Well, my ex got baggage like a bellhop. Yeah, I love a cry for help. But I'm tired of lying with liars. You're the truth, I'm scared to tell. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed?
Alright, hey guys, so I just came back from walking my dog and I still do have my Galaxy Buds in my ear. And I have to say, they definitely didn't blow me out of the water. The sound quality was good, but it wasn't like amazing. And there was a slightly like almost electric sound to the music, which I didn't really like that much because I prefer my music to be very deep sounding. I don't know if it has anything to do with the ear tip size, but I will definitely be changing my ear tips to see if the other ones will fit my ear better and give me a better sound. But overall, I would say these are pretty comfortable to wear. In the beginning, without looking at a mirror, I really really didn't know how to put these in, but after I went in front of a mirror and I saw where the wingtip was supposed to go, I quickly figured it out. So it was pretty easy to do. These do feel pretty comfortable. I just went outside and walked for about 20 minutes and they still feel very good in my ears. However, I wouldn't keep these in my ears when I'm not listening to music, just because like I can barely hear myself talk. Like right now, my voice sounds really, really echoey in my head, if that even makes sense. It also sounds a bit muffled, like I am talking underwater kind of. So I wouldn't want to keep these in my ears just because it would be uncomfortable to, you know, talk to other people as I'm wearing these. But overall, if I'm listening to say like a long podcast that's an hour long, then I can definitely keep these in my ears for an hour and probably still be very comfortable with it. But again, these are just my first impressions. I will be wearing them throughout the week, and then next week I will give you guys my final thoughts on these Galaxy Buds Plus and tell you guys whether or not I think they are worth it. Alright, hey guys, so it has been 2 weeks since I first got my Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, and I will give you guys an update on my impressions of them. Okay, so first of all, I did remove the wingtips. They were just hurting my ears, and also the wingtips made it hard for me to put it in my ear, and that's why I just swapped it out with the regular rounded tips, and it feels a lot nicer and a lot easier to put on. Okay, and next I'm going to talk about the sound quality. So actually, I found that the sound quality wasn't good at first, and that almost made me return these. However, I kind of played around with them a bit, and I found that if I shoved them in super tightly into my ear, then the sound quality was pretty good. So then I found that it was really the ear tips that was the issue. So I switched to the largest ear tip size that came with these buds. I'm actually kind of shocked. I thought like I had small ears, but I guess I have pretty large ear holes. But yeah, anyways, after I swapped out the tips, the larger one, the sound quality improved a lot for me, and then I decided to not return these anymore. But I will say that even though the sound quality got better, I still didn't find it like super amazing or anything. Before it sounded very like electric-y, and then now it sounds pretty normal, but definitely nothing revolutionary or anything like that. However, overall, I do like the sound quality, so that's why I'm going to keep these. Okay, and now let's talk about the comfort level. So they are pretty comfortable overall. However, I find that I cannot wear these for a very long time. So I would say like over 45 minutes. Then they start to almost like hurt my ears and just overall feel kind of uncomfortable. And I also found that when I wear these, my voice does sound pretty muffled, and I also can't really hear others well when I'm talking to them. And that's also the other reason why I can't wear these for long, because, well, I just cannot carry out conversations with other people while I have these in my ear. I would say really I don't wear these that much. I really only wear them when I go out for a walk or when I'm working out, and other than that I just prefer not having anything in my ear rather than having something. So if I'm like watching a video or listening to music while I'm just at home, then I'm just kind of playing it out loud. Okay, and fourth, the mic. So the mic was actually the reason why I decided to get the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus rather than the regular buds, because when I was making the decision, I read an article that featured a demo of the mic, and from that demo, the Galaxy Buds mic just sounded very bad, like it was almost unusable. So from the demo that I heard, I concluded that if I got just the regular buds, then I probably wouldn't be able to make any calls with it, just because the mic quality will be so bad that whoever I'm calling probably will not be able to understand what I'm saying. But the mic for these buds are very good. I have called my friends with these and they told me that the mic quality was very good. They could hear me loud and clear, and yeah. And lastly, just some miscellaneous mentions. So I do find that these buds are very responsive. When I have them in my ear and I want to pause or play the music, a slight touch will activate it. And I also do think that these look pretty good. They go pretty well with any style or outfit. And I actually found that these Samsung buds, I'm not sure if they were the Buds Plus or just the regular buds, but these buds were featured in Blackpink's Kill This Love music video. I definitely did not notice it the first time that I watched it, but I saw a Reddit post, I think, mentioning it, and I rewatched it and I noticed it and I was like, Oh, that's interesting. So yeah, that's just a little fun fact for you guys. Alright, so yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel down below. I will be making a lot more vlog content and other tech related content in the future. So if you want to see those, then be sure to subscribe. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in another video. Bye!
To fill awkward silences, do we feel emptiness afterwards? 'Cause I want something deeper.